Right now, everything in our solar system follows a perfect, predictable dance. But space is hiding monsters. Imagine an invisible predator, a stellar mass black hole about 10 times heavier than our sun, drifting through the dark. It doesn't emit light, it doesn't make a sound. But as it crosses the edge of our solar system, the first sign of its arrival isn't a sight. It's the sudden, violent disruption of gravity's balance. This is not a prediction. It's a question that science lets us ask.
As the black hole enters the Oort Cloud, billions of icy comets are ripped from their orbits. Scientists estimate that these frozen rocks would be hurled toward the inner solar system like cosmic bullets. We wouldn't see the black hole yet, but the sudden surge of meteor showers on Earth would tell us that something massive and hungry has arrived.
Gravity is the glue of the universe, but a black hole's pull is absolute. As it passes the gas giants, Saturn's rings would begin to unravel. According to general relativity, changes in the gravitational field would propagate at the speed of light, shifting Earth's orbit before we even realize why. The seasons would fail. The tides would become kilometer-high walls of water.
If the black hole approaches Earth, the sky would change forever. We would see gravitational lensing, a terrifying bending of light that makes the stars look like they are melting. The atmosphere would thin as the black hole begins to suck away our air. It's a silent collapse. No wind, just the cold, eerie realization that our world is being pulled into the void.
If the black hole heads directly for Earth, the end is certain. But the journey reminds us how fragile and beautiful our solar system really is. Based on widely accepted science, the chances of this happening in our lifetime are almost zero. Our sun remains our steady anchor. We are safe, for now, in this vast cosmic lab.
If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, tell us in the comments. What would you do if a black hole entered our solar system? Please like this video and subscribe to Cosmic Story Lab. And click the video on your screen now to see what happens if the sun turns into ice.